Hey guys, so I had someone else ask about using QR codes with an embedded logo and how to make those work. So I wanted to take a quick minute to show you guys how to do this as well. So if we go back and we remember, we can go into our tools and create a barcode. That's where our QR codes live. So when we do this, we pull out the size of the QR code that we want, and then we just put in the raw content is where we're going to put in either the website or the app for wherever our business cards are. So I'm just going to put in my website for Inscribed. Let me grab this real quick. I'm just copying it off the internet. I'm pasting it in here. This is the page for my on-site event engraving. So I'm just going to put that in there. The biggest thing we want to make sure that we're doing when we are embedding a logo is keep these process control characters on and make sure our error correction level is set to very high. That's going to give us the ability to throw something in the middle of that barcode or QR code without it not being able to read because we want it to read. So I'm going to hit OK here. This is my logo. I am going to make sure, let me go and see how big this is. Let's say, inches, please. Let's say we're going to do this at 2 inches by 2 inches. That means this guy needs to be about 3/4 of an inch or smaller for it to still read in here. We want it to be about 1/3 of the size of this. So we're doing rough math today, y'all. Rough math. So I'm going to 0.75. And then the trick here is going to be to use our offset. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to use offset. And I'm just going to offset it by a little bit, like 1/16 of an inch. I'm going to do rounded. I'm going to do outward, outer shapes only. I'm going to select the result and I'm going to keep it optimized. I'm going to hit OK. Now I've got this shape right here that I can pull out of my center. And I'm going to ungroup this because I do not need this little piece inside. I'm going to grab this. I'm going to grab my QR code and I'm going to center these. So I'm going to hit C to center vertically and then E as in Edward to center horizontally. I'm going to select both of these and then I'm going to use my Boolean tools, my Boolean assistant, one of my favorites, right? I'm going to subtract. That's what I'm looking for is this hole in the middle. I'm going to hit OK, and then I'm just going to grab this guy and center him. I'm going to do it by eye, or you can grab this and C, E to center. And now I have a logo embedded into my QR code. So when I go to engrave this, it's going to engrave that logo. And if you guys want to try it out, you should be able to scan it with your phone, and it's still going to take you right to my Inscribed website. Hope that helped someone today.